Good morning mga ka-squared. This is Rones Labon, your furniture and interior designer. It's a rainy morning, but we are here in Better Living in Parañaque once again to finish our project with our client. So last week, we were able to install the fluted panels as part of the design ng shoe cabinet setup natin. So today, our goal is to set up the shoe cabinet and the bench with shoe rack. Actually, it's a lighted one. And then sa sobrang tuwa ni client, which is very satisfying on our part, pina-add niya yung improvement ng kanilang dining area, wherein we're going to install some curtain type fluted panels. And on the other side is the UV marble board. So it's enhancement of the dining area. And also, we're going to repair the existing bar counter of our client. So we will just put some UV board as well and some fluted panels. For that improvements and progress, we'll check out inside what's going on, and later this afternoon, we will see the result of our renovation and interior works for our client here in Better Living in Parañaque City. Tara, check natin sa loob. Inside, remember last week, pinakita natin to. Finisher natin tong location na to wherein we installed this fluted panel. And then today, we were able to install this shoe cabinet. So this is a push to open doors para medyo seamless lang. So this is what's inside. Okay, so these are all shoe cabinet, and here is a shoe bench. So lalagyan pa natin siya ng door para magamit pa rin niya, ma-utilize natin yung bench na to. So nilagyan natin siya ng padded portion para when they are changing their shoes, they will be feel comfortable naman. And then later on, we are going to attach the strip light here, so that sa gabi there will be a vibe, it will create a vibe na medyo mas welcoming yung area na to, since entrada to ng bahay going to the living area. Okay, so later on I'll give you some of the improvements pa ng ginawa natin dito sa location na to. So in this area, we are done already with the installation of the shoe cabinet. So nire-repaint na lang natin yung mga tinamaan na paint during our installation sa mga tambol na nasa area. But technically, we're almost done. We are just fixing all the fits lang ng mga pinto, and we're all good. So this is the whole setup ng shoe cabinet natin with bench rack. So but the good thing is I thought we're done now with our client, and so we have a continuity of our project here in our client from Better Living in Parañaque. So um, we're going to improve this area. So ipapakita ko sa inyo. This one, our client wants to install as well some fluted panel here, and then we're thinking of putting some stone-like PVC in this area. So we are just finalizing it. So I'll just be sending some rendered version nung design na sinasuggest natin for this particular area. So later, I'll give you the whole picture of our project here, no, the shoe cabinet project na nanganak ng mga several improvements sa iba't ibang area ng house ni client natin. We are still here in Better Living in Parañaque. So I just want you to show the finished product of our installation of fluted panel. So basically, we installed a curtain type fluted panel in this area, and if you will notice in this area, you will see that it's a full wall with UV marble board. So that's our material for this improvement na ginawa natin sa loob. Before, it has curtains, no? So pinalitan natin yan. We made a fixed interior design, which is a curtain fluted panel. And so minatch lang natin from the existing design ng dining area ng client natin. So we are very much happy naman nang nakita ng client natin. They are satisfied with what from the output that we have. And so we're done mga ka-squared dito sa project natin sa Better Living in Parañaque City. So we're done with our shoe cabinet and bench with shoe rack as well. Actually lighted yung bench natin as you've seen sa monitor. And then we're done na rin dun sa mga fluted panels natin as part of the interior design nitong entrada ng bahay ng client natin. And kanina, pinakita ko na rin sa inyo yung ginawa natin sa loob sa dining area ng client natin, wherein we installed a curtain type fluted panel and a full wall of UV marble board, wherein we're so happy na nag-jive naman yung design natin doon sa existing interior ng client natin. And we are very, I think na-mention ko na to a while ago, no? And na we are very much happy kasi we have a continuity ng project dito, and it was explained already kanina na we're going to install several fluted panels doon naman sa area ng parking lot. And so with that, mga ka-squared, if you have any questions with regard to furniture design, interior design, space solution, and whatsoever, all you have to do is just to message us in our Facebook page, Squared Furniture and Interiors. Also, mapapanood na rin kami sa YouTube channel. You can look for or search for Ron S. Labon. So paano? Kita-kits in our next project. This is your furniture and interior designer, Ron S. Labon. Salamat!